All right, I'm just testing out this Bauer cordless rotary hammer that it was a special deal. So you buy for the price of the battery, which was a 3 amp. So you pay $60. You get the tool, which normally they charge um, $80 or maybe it's $90. Then I bought this 8 amp, so that's another $100. So basically paid 160. But then I got this bit in the mail for SDS Plus for driving posts. So this would be a driving cap for a post for not a post but a pipe for a well point pipe. So this doesn't have a lot of joules. It's only like a little over 2 joules, I think, 2.5 maybe. So it's nothing really like a gas powered driver, but it has the same RPMs as a gas powered driver. So it's got the RPMs. It doesn't have the force, but it's a snug fit on there. So I should be able to use the driving cap. Or else, actually, I could try it with the coupler because it'll fit. The coupler would fit against the base of the cup, whereas the cap's only on the edges of the cup. Anyway, I'll try it both ways and see if that works. But I got it just on the hammer option. And obviously I'm going to have to rely on the hand maul. I have a 30-pound hand post pounder. So I can get a lot more newtons with the post pounder or joules. So we'll see what happens. I'm a little bit concerned because the bit slides. Does it slide? It's locked in there, but it slides. Let's see. It slides down like that, but it's locked in. And I don't know how to change that because it doesn't turn. That's the only way it goes in. So I'm figuring that's fine. And turn it that way. It doesn't lock it. Yeah. You can see it's taking the paint off it. Pretty loud. I got ear protection. We'll see what happens.